Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Brook Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. Starting off with euro dollar, it is 10:10 in the morning on October 15th, 2025. We got tariff problems again between the US and China that basically drove dollar yen down to like 150.88, but dollar yen is starting to recover. So maybe the market has already discounted that. So let's get right into the technicals. Looking at Euro USD right now, a little bit rally up off of the lows. Has to hold 115.90 right now and actually continue showing some strength up above. Um, so we're really at a critical old resistance level, support level right now at 116.22. Let me put the level up for the short-term traders. Let's put up, actually, I don't want that one. I want a horizontal ray because I can never draw straight. So I'll say it like right there. That's the level that has to hold right now to continue euro dollar strength. Dollar yen's an interesting one. I got my eye on that one. I'm actually long dollar yen at 151.38. Sold some out at 151.68 and sitting right very, very close to my entry. I put my stop at entry at average, you know. I'm thinking dollar yen could rally a little bit today. We'll see. We're going to get into dollar yen in a second, but as it stands right now, euro dollar resistance. If we can hold above this level, we're looking at, hang on, let me get a good number for euro dollar. 116.75. 116.70. I'll actually go down to here. I'll actually go down to 65. 116.63 is the level of resistance. If we can pop through this and close above it, good sign for your Euro bulls. We're heading up towards that 117, like 12 level. So right now, this is the point. If it breaks down through this 115, say 90, it's kind of drifting lower towards that 115.60. Nothing's really happening in Euro dollar. It's really in the cross. So let's move on to a good old sterling dollar. Yesterday, one of my students slash clients had a really good trade on sterling. He actually used the Tower of Price, one of my systems, actually bought sterling dollar in a buy envelope, and he got some good money out of it. Kudos to you, Al. Really good job, Eric. So as it stands right now, sterling dollar. Let's look at sterling dollar. Let's get the price points. Hang on. Good old sterling dollar's got to hold 133.20. Let's get a array over there. 133, 133.20 right there. That's the level it has to hold. There is resistance up right here at 134.11 for sure. Now, um, there's a lot of like today's an odd day. If dollar yen continues to rally, sterling will probably cool off a little bit. We got to pay attention to the cross, right? The cross is all important, right? So we got to watch that sterling yen. Let's move on over to sterling yen. What the heck? Actually, let's move over to dollar yen. Let's go over to dollar yen. Here's the level. All right. So last night we went down to like 150, what, 90. Market recovered. Here's the fib levels. Here were the the extension levels down. I actually got long right in here, 38. Really, I was expecting the 18 level to hold. So far, so good. We just came back down. We tested the entry because I got long at 38 again. We rallied up to like 51, and now we're sitting right at 43. So I'm expecting us to get up through this fib level, 151.73, and potentially rally up to like, I'm thinking like really 152. The figure might be a little dear. I'm thinking really 90. I know you say, oh, it's only like 10 points, but 10 points can mean everything, right? So that's what I'm thinking. Now, dollar yen, if dollar yen turns down and breaks this low, oh, well, then it's a reversal, so that point is very important. Let me get a level right there. So that's today, all right, right now, today. If it cannot get up to like say the 90 level and it breaks this bottom, it's a reversal. So I'll be out long before then, but I'll definitely be selling it if it broke that something's up, something's really up. So we're heading back down to like 149.80 again. So that's what we got going on in good old dollar yen. Let's move over to good old sterling yen. All right, sterling yen itself. All right. Sterling yen made it up to 202 what? What did we get up to? Like 202, 202.51. Okay. Interesting. Um, I was thinking sterling yen is a reversal, and that's one of the reasons why I got long dollar yen. So in other words, we came down to 201 like 32. We could get down to the deeper level of say 200 like 60. So uh, it actually flashed like weakness yesterday when we hit, actually on the 13th, it flashed weakness at 203.51. Obviously, we pounded down to 201.32. Uh, I was thinking that a reversal above the old high that we had on the 14th, October 14th was 202.33. I thought a break above that would actually show some strength in sterling yen, and it's sitting there right now. I went into dollar yen for it. I'm thinking dollar yen's going to be the driver that brings sterling yen up. And I'm thinking we could see like 203.80 in it. So, um, I didn't go straight long sterling yen. I went long dollar yen thinking that was the one that was going to really snap and move very quickly. Yeah, so far, they're both about the same. So as it stands right now, sterling yen has got a hold one. Let's see, let me get a level here. Where are we here? Nah, hang on a second. Uh, hang on a second. Yeah, 297, 201.97, 201, 201, right there. It's got to hold this point. If you can hold that point, you got a potential rally up towards 203.27. It's gonna have some resistance at 202 202.80. So, but if dollar yen takes off, yeah, we never know. Let's look at euro dollar, euro yen. All right, euro yen itself. Okay, made it up to 176.31. Let's look at euro yen. Okay, 176.31, huh? All right, so far, I don't really know. Euro yen, let's see, it's got support at 175, 75, 80, 175.80. So hang on a second here. 175, 175.81. That's close enough. Um, yeah. Um, if it breaks that, let's see, 170, 175, 170. Hang on a second. Where do we get to? What, 176.31? Sorry. It's annoying, right? Yeah, 175.81. It's got to hold this level. If it doesn't, it's actually showing weakness drifting back down towards, the 175.30 level. All right, so that's what I got going on for you guys. Keep your eyes on dollar yen. That's going to be the one, and it has always been the one that leads the surge up in the crosses or reversals in the crosses. So links in the description. Get yourself a free ebook. Also, come on in, sign in, get into the the boot camp. Look forward to seeing you there. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember, always, 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 as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.